today we're ready to install a brand new tile floor, which should work well over the radiant heat. So Mark, what are we using this time?
We're using another piece of porcelain.
Okay.
It has a finish on it, inkjet, and it's made to look like a natural stone.
Okay, so the process of making this is similar to the process of the tile we installed in the mud hall, except that was meant to look like wood.
And here, we're gonna make it look like a piece of slate.
Oh, it does look good. All right, now I see 3 different sizes of stone. How do you know what the layout is?
Well, the manufacturer sent us this diagram, and there was actually a pattern to it. And if you look on the floor, we have a large one, a long one, and basically a square one there.
Okay.
And it's all the same when you look at it.
All right, so I see 2 lines here that crisscross.
Exactly, so what we did was we squared the room, and we started on each corner, and we're gonna work it all the way around so the pattern stays the same in the middle.
All right, now there are electric wires in here, so you gotta be careful how you install this tile.
Oh yeah, that makes that job fun. No trowel in the joint.
Now the circuits for the floor heat are connected to some alarms, so if it's damaged, the alarm is going to go off. And when it goes off, it'll sound like this, letting you know there's a problem, and it can be fixed before it's covered with the tile. So Mark, I see a variation in the colors. There's quite a difference, so how do you decide what goes where?
Oh yeah, what we did was we opened up a whole bunch of cartons, mixed them all together, and here's what we have.
So shuffle them and make it as random as possible.
Exactly.
All right. So I see you've back buttered each piece. Make sure you get a perfect bond. Well, Mark, it's nice that the pine trim on the inside is up a bit. You can slide the tile under it. And you know, when the screens are in and it rains, this floor is going to get wet, and you don't want that pine to absorb any water.
That's right. Tommy's always thinking.
He is. It's looking great, and I see you have a display here with various colors of grout. And since this is a grayish tile, it looks like you're going anywhere from a charcoal to maybe this bluish gray. What are you thinking?
Yeah, but now if you look at it, like you take a light one might be a little too light, Norm. It's going to show dirt. And if you go to the other end where it's dark, it's going to be too liney. All you're going to see is grout.
The grout.
I kind of like this one right here. It's a little bit, it's in between. It's got all the colors in it.
When you're at this one?
This one right here.
Okay.
I mean, if you put it up there, you can go from dark to light, and it kind of blends right in. It just disappears.
It's kind of an average between the light tiles and dark tiles. Well, I think it's going to look great. Good job as always.
Thanks, Norm.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.